Hello everyone, I am Vedant Pandey and today I am excited to introduce you CA on Call. It's India's first video avatar chartered accountant. We are going to totally build on AWS generative AI. It gives small businesses instant, affordable GST and tax guidance simply by talking to it just like a real CA. It's like talk to your AI CA anytime, anywhere on call. Now, let's talk about the main core problem we are going to solve for small businesses owners. So, in today's generation, millions of small business owners in India cannot afford a traditional CA, which leaves them to struggle with hard to understand tax notices, confusing GST rules and regulations, manual invoices calculations, which prone to errors, missing critical due dates, fear of costly mistakes, and no expert here to explain in simple language, which impacts to financial penalties, wrong fillings, and business anxiety, which leads them to constant fear and confusion about taxes. Now, the existing AI solution which are available now, they are totally generic AI tools such as ChatGPT and Gemini that explains concept only. But our AI tool do taxes exactly how it does, and we have totally fine-tuned it on Indian tax systems. Okay, so ChatGPT and Gemini do not cannot pass official tax notices. It cannot provide structured financial data, and it does offers and it cannot offer India-specific compliance guidance. Whereas the traditional CA services that are totally expensive and small business owners cannot afford them. They totally charge 5 to 15,000 for per deal. They are very slow. They get days to responses and they are not available 24/7. And they are also beyond reach for most of small business owners. So now we have built the solution, our AI CA. It's a video avatar that behaves and acts like just a real chartered accountant. It does natural conversation with users. It talk with users through a voice in a human-like video interface. It have document intelligence integrated. It understand invoices, notices, and financial documents instantly. It have structured analysis. It extract and organizes GST data, calculates summaries automatically, and it gives step-by-step guidance to users. It explains notices, draft responses, and guides user through compliance. Now let's talk about how it works, how exactly gonna work for user. In our web page or in our application, user just have to click on call my CA button and it gives instant access to AI chartered accountant. A video avatar will appear and it talks in very professional and friendly way. It greets users, how can I help you? User can speak in his voice, just like he's talking to a CA on call. For example, he says I want to file a GST. So AI shows a upload box where user can upload the documents which is required, and then user uploads documents such as invoices PDF. And now our AI extract all the tax fields using OCR and LLM, and it structured all the data. And now on the seventh part, it provides GST summary plus next steps to user what he can do next. It gives the clear breakdown with actionable recommendations, and AI explains fluently just in his voice conversation, and user feels just like someone is explaining me and someone is guiding me live in front. Okay, so now let's talk about the core MVP. How we are going to build in 24 hours. So we are going to integrate a video avatar CA. We are going to integrate it by using Tabus API. It's a real-time voice chat with human-like AI chartered accountant interface. We are going to integrate a GST invoice analyzer using OCR plus LLM-powered extraction models. Then we are going to integrate a tax notice explainer using LLM before down notices with risk assessment and clarity. And AI just simply draft responses in his voice using the LLM and TTS and STT models we are going to use of LiveKit. And it also gives the financial question answers, provide answers to users just as someone guiding to the users. And now if we talk about why AI CA win over all the generic AI tools, the first is workflow driven. It's totally built on Indian taxing system. Its purpose is built for tax compliance workflows, not just for general question answer. The second is document intelligence. It understands the invoices, notices, and the financial documents very deeply, and it has India's tax specialization. It have all the knowledge of GST ITR and India's specific compliance knowledge backed into it, and it have real-time guidance providing system where it can just provide all the details to user in real time, and it's provide step-by-step support through complex processes how user can do it in simpler steps, and its voice first experience. So through ChatGPT and Gemini like tool just provide answers of users question in generic text, but our AI CA is just like a video calling to a CA. And the main USP is human like avatar. It have emotional connection and trust through visual presence. User can easily trust on the visual which they see. Okay, so now let's talk about the tech stacks we are going to use. It's totally powered by AWS plus generative AI. we are going to use enterprise grade level technology stack. The first one is AWS tech stack we are going to use. It is very advanced OCR for document extraction. And the second one is AWS transcribe. We are going to use for voice to text conversion. And the third one is AWS Poly. We are going to use it for TTS, natural text to speech output, which is given by the LLM. And fourth is Bedrock LLM of AWS. It is very powerful language model, and we will fine tune it on India taxing and GST and ITR things totally. And we will integrate few Gen AI agents using N10 and Make.com in backend, and the front end and backend is totally built using React plus Node. Now let's talk about the future vision and roadmap if we get selected. So our future vision is to build a totally fully automated GST filling, in which users just have to enter the details, and our platform will totally file the GST. User just have to click the button, and all the GST things will be filed. And we are going to build the second is automatic ITR preparation, where there is no human touch. Our AI agent will automatically fill all the documents on the government portal and file the ITR right here on our website. And here you can see all the bank reconciliation, which is automatically matching of transaction with invoices. We are going to build a CA marketplace where user can hire live CA on our website. And yeah, you can see we are going to provide users an enterprise level dashboard where they can track all their GST files and ITR files on a single page. And we also will provide a multi-agent compliance engine where we will we will build a different kind of AI agent for different kind of works. And there is, if we talk about the monetization plans, so there will be freemium model also with paid subscription with advanced filters such as multi-user access and the dashboard and multiple things. So now let's talk about the market. So it will be accessible 24/7 by 1 billion plus potential users, and it will save 10x of cost. People can easily afford it, because it's not just a traditional CA who can charge 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees for simple task. So yeah, it's India's first scalable and high impact thing we are going to build, and our vision is simple, is to provide 1 billion users plus the access of AI CA real time, anywhere, anytime.